Ever found yourself juggling a million tasks, sticky notes flying everywhere, and your brain feeling like a tangled mess of to-dos? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized can feel like a superpower. And speaking of superpowers, have you ever wondered about the origin story of one of the most popular productivity tools out there, Trello? Think about it for a second. You've probably seen its colorful boards, its intuitive drag-and-drop cards, maybe even used it to plan everything from your grocery list to a major project at work. It's become such a ubiquitous part of how many of us manage our lives, both personal and professional. But where did this digital lifesaver come from? Which country can lay claim to birthing this productivity powerhouse? Before we dive into Trello's nationality, let's appreciate just how deeply ingrained it has become in our daily routines. Remember the days of endless email threads, trying to keep track of who was doing what and when? Trello offered a visual, collaborative alternative, transforming the chaos into manageable workflows. It democratized project management, making it accessible to individuals and teams of all sizes across countless industries. From software development to event planning, from managing editorial calendars to organizing family vacations, Trello's flexibility has made it an indispensable tool for millions worldwide. The simplicity is deceptive. Behind that user-friendly interface lies a robust system based on the Kanban method, a visual system for managing work as it moves through a process. Each board represents a project, lists represent stages of the workflow, and cards represent individual tasks. The ability to add details, attachments, due dates, and assign team members to these cards fosters transparency and accountability. The visual nature of the boards provides an at-a-glance overview of progress, allowing teams to identify bottlenecks and stay on track. The impact of tools like Trello extends beyond mere organization. They foster better communication, enhance collaboration, and ultimately boost productivity. By providing a shared visual space, teams can work together more effectively, reducing misunderstandings and ensuring everyone is on the same page. This is particularly crucial in today's increasingly remote and distributed work environments. So, with all this in mind, the question remains, which country is responsible for bringing this organizational marvel into our lives? Was it a Silicon Valley startup born in the heart of American innovation? Perhaps a sleek Scandinavian design company focused on user-centric solutions? Or maybe even a tech innovator from the bustling hubs of Asia? Let's journey back to the early 2010s, a time when cloud-based collaboration tools were beginning to gain significant traction. The concept for Trello emerged from a company called Fog Creek Software. Now, does that name ring any bells? Probably not as much as Trello itself. Fog Creek Software was founded in, wait for it, New York City, in the United States. Yes, Trello's roots are firmly planted in American soil. Fog Creek Software, co-founded by Joel Spolsky and Michael Pryor in 2000, was known for its other software products, including FogBugs, a web-based bug tracking system. The idea for Trello actually sprang from an internal project within Fog Creek. They needed a lightweight, flexible tool to manage their own internal workflows, something less rigid than traditional project management software. This internal tool, initially called Trellis, a nod to a garden trellis, representing interconnectedness, proved so effective that Fog Creek decided to spin it off as a separate product. In September 2011, Trello was officially launched to the public. Its immediate appeal lay in its simplicity and visual nature, a departure from the often complex and feature-laden project management tools available at the time. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface, the use of colorful cards, and the focus on collaboration resonated with a wide audience. Trello quickly gained a loyal following, adopted by individuals for personal organization and by teams across various industries. Its freemium model, offering a robust free tier with optional paid upgrades for additional features, further fueled its rapid growth. Trello's success story is a testament to the power of user-centric design and the need for simple yet effective tools in an increasingly complex world. It wasn't about packing in every possible feature. It was about providing a core set of functionalities in an elegant and easy-to-use manner. The journey didn't end there for Trello as an independent entity. In January 2017, Atlassian, an Australian software company renowned for its collaboration and productivity tools like Jira and Confluence, acquired Trello for a cool $425 million. This acquisition brought Trello into a larger ecosystem of work management solutions, further expanding its reach and integration capabilities. So, while Trello was born in the bustling tech scene of New York City under the umbrella of the American company Fog Creek Software, it is now part of the Australian software giant Atlassian. This highlights the increasingly global nature of the technology industry, where innovations can originate in one country and then become part of a larger international organization. It's interesting to consider how Trello's initial American roots might have influenced its early development and design philosophy. The emphasis on user-friendliness and accessibility aligns with a broader trend in American software design aimed at mass adoption. However, under Atlassian's ownership, Trello has continued to evolve, incorporating features and integrations that cater to a global user base and integrate seamlessly with other popular productivity tools. Think about the implications of a tool like Trello being developed in a specific cultural and business context. Could the collaborative spirit often associated with American work culture have played a role in shaping Trello's emphasis on team-based workflows? Or perhaps the fast-paced, results-oriented nature of the American business environment fueled the need for a tool that could enhance efficiency and organization. While it's difficult to definitively quantify these influences, it's clear that the initial vision and development of Trello were products of the American tech landscape. The acquisition by Atlassian represents a new chapter in Trello's story, one where its reach and capabilities are further amplified by being part of a global leader in collaboration software. So, the next time you're moving cards around on your Trello board, remember its origin story. Born from a need for internal organization within an American software company, it blossomed into a global phenomenon, now part of an Australian powerhouse. It's a reminder that great ideas can come from anywhere, and in today's interconnected world, they can quickly transcend national borders to impact millions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.